Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. I am Kritika and today we will discuss on the Shyama Prasad Mukherji Rurban Mission. Now recently this was in news as the Telangana government stood first in the implementation of Shyama Prasad Mukherji Rurban Mission. Also the Tamil Nadu and Gujarat government took over the second and the third positions respectively. Now let's talk a bit about the Shyama Prasad Mukherji Rurban Mission. It was launched in 2016 in a mission mode to develop 300 clusters by stimulating local economic development, enhancing the basic services, and creating well-planned Rurban clusters. Rurban stands for Rural plus Urban. It is a centrally sponsored scheme undertaken by the Union Ministry of Rural Development, and it is a successor of Provision of Urban Amenities to Rural Areas, which was taken up in 2004 for rural development. Now, what are these Rurban clusters? They are basically classified into two types, that is the non-tribal and the tribal clusters. The Rurban clusters are geographically contiguous villages with a population of about 25,000 to 50,000 in plain and coastal areas and a population of 5,000 to 15,000 in desert, hilly and tribal areas. The funding is shared between centre and state in the ratio 60-40 for plain area states and 90-10 for Himalayan and northeastern states. Now let's talk about the significance of this mission. It is helpful in bridging the rural-urban divide, hence it is known as the Rurban Mission. The investment avenues in these clusters. Also, it is helpful in financial inclusion and social economic growth. It provides better health infrastructure. It will also be helpful in stopping the city migration. Now let's talk about the challenges in the implementation of this mission. Firstly, the absence of ICT infrastructure, that is information and communication technology infrastructure. Also, there is lack of coordination between the center and states, overlapping of schemes and resource wastages. Also, the lack of finances and the land acquisition issues are some of the major challenges. Now let's discuss in brief about Shyama Prasad Mukherji. He was an academician and a politician who became the world's youngest vice-chancellor from Calcutta University. He opposed the 1905 partition, which was also known as the first partition of Bengal, which majorly separated the Muslim eastern states from the Hindu western regions. He was the founder of Bharatiya Jansangh, which was later known as Bharatiya Janata Party. He was also against Article 370, which is now repealed. His vision was Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. That is, he had the philosophy of inclusive growth. Now let's take up a practice question on this topic. With reference to Shyama Prasad Mukherji Rurban Mission, consider the following statements. First, it is a project-based program for developing rural clusters under the Ministry of Rural Development. Second, it is a core centrally sector scheme. Third, it is the successor of Provision of Urban Amenities to the rural areas. You have to choose the correct statements. You can write your answers in the comment section. So the correct answer is C. That is, only statement 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2 is wrong because it is a centrally sponsored scheme funded by both state and the center. So this was all for today's topic. For more such videos, do stay tuned to the NextIAS YouTube channel. So this was all for today's topic. For more such videos, do stay tuned to the NextIAS YouTube channel.